Well guys, this is the fastest growing, most popular segment in cars right now, the CUV segment. And this brand new 2019 Jeep Cherokee has been made to get your attention.
The crossover segment is cutthroat, and if you don't bring out something that stands above the herd, you're likely to be lost. Quite a few car companies have had misfires with SUVs in the last couple of years. Jeep are well aware of that and will not let the Cherokee be anything but a success. A new exterior, increased interior volume, and aesthetic touches that make you pay attention. That's what made me pay attention to the new Cherokee. Brian NIELANDER is a Jeep designer.
I was taking a look at different areas around the world for inspiration for the color schemes. We had two color schemes that we came up for 19 that we're pretty excited about. One was inspired by sort of the look and colors of Iceland, with this sort of black on black that references the volcanic rock there.
Jeep are not messing around with the off-road capabilities of the Cherokee either. To get that red trail rated badge on the side, Jeep has to be able to do things like this. Capability is not just for peace of mind in a Jeep. Recent surveys tell us that owners actually take their Jeeps off-road, which is different from any other 4x4 brand. Depending on how you like to drive your brand new Cherokee, they give you 3 different engine choices. 2 4-cylinder engines, including a turbo, and a 6-cylinder engine are available with a 9-speed transmission. Scott Talon is in charge of telling the Jeep story.
Well, that's certainly our intent. I mean, that's why we really packaged this new Cherokee to be an uncompromised value. I mean, we paid very close attention to what the consumers put as their top priorities for their purchase reasons, identified that content, and made more of it standard than ever.
Jeep is known for their rugged off-roading, but this is more of a durability vehicle. Jeep wants you to know it's reliable, trustworthy, and has everything you need to connect to your digital world, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has plenty of room for stuff. Let's be honest, when you have a Jeep badge on the front of your vehicle, you know it can do stuff like this.
It's going to be about 30 days before the new Cherokee ends up in dealerships, but the orders are expected to be brisk. For Fox 5 Morning News, I'm Nick Miles.